Florence Piavestano, and today I am going to discuss what is ROP and EOQ. So ROP stands for reorder point, is the inventory level which a new order must be placed and replenish stock before it reaches zero to ensure continuous process and preventing stock out. The formula of ROP is here. But on the other hand, EOQ, which stands for economic order quantity, is used to determine the most cost-effective quantity of inventory to order one that minimizes total cost of ordering and holding stock. Formula of EOQ is here. So since we've done discussing what is the difference between ROP and EOQ, let's try to solve the equation of ROP. So let's read. The 7-Eleven store sells 200 cans of Royal per day, and it takes 5 to 10 days for a new shipment to arrive. Now, when will be the store place the order or the reorder point? Try na to solve. ROP, usage. Kung saan may usage na to, mo na ang 200 cans of Royal. Multiply 5 to 10 days, which is the lead time. Then, i-plus na to siya sa 200 cans, and multiply na po din mo siya sa 5 days. This ang matagit na 5 days. You have to ihap 5 to 10 days, pila man na siya ka-day ang interval. So, man na siyang 5. So, let's try to break down. 200 multiplied 5 equals 1,000. Then, another one, 200 multiplied 5 is 1,000. Add those two equals 2,000 cans of Royal. So, ato ang ROPDI is 2,000 cans of Royal. Therefore, the 7-Eleven store should make the order when the inventory is at 2,000 cans of Royal. So to simplify, let's try to give another example. So they place the order kay November 8, and then imong lead time kay 5 to 10 days. So from November 8, ihapon nimo 5 days, November 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Maabot imong order kay November 13, or the order will arrive November 13. So kanang November 13, mo na siya ang 5 days na minimum lead time. So from November 13, ihap na puntag another day or 5 days. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. November 13 to 18, mo na siya ang imong safety stock. What do you mean by safety stock is that nanakibag-ong pundong inventory ana o nanakay. So let's move on to our next discussion, the EOQ or economic order quantity. So here above is the formula of EOQ, where O is ordering cost, N is number of units, and C is annual carrying cost. So under EOQ, there are 5 formulas that must be computed. So let's try. Let's try to read the equation. Number of bottles of ketchup required annually is 7,500. The cost of placing an order is 87,250 pesos. Annual carrying cost of bottle inventory per year is 0.50 pesos. A is economic order quantity, so let's try to solve. 87,250 is the ordering cost, and then N is number of units, so 7,500. Multiply this 2, and the answer is you have to answer siya mo o kaning square root. So answer the square root is i-divide mo siya sa 0.50, and then the answer is 51,161.50 bottles of ketchup. Muna na siya itong EOQ. So next is B, or the number of orders per year. Unsa may formula sa number of orders per year, or NO? This one. And then divide EOQ. So 7,500, muna siya ang number of units. Kani. Then i-divide mo siya sa 51,161, muna siya ang bottles of ketchup. And answer is 0.146 orders of ketchup bottle. So next is C, or the total ordering cost. Unsa may formula sa total ordering cost? Here. NO multiply OC, or ordering cost. So now, 0.146 multiply 87,250 pesos equals 12,738.5. Mo na siya itong total ordering cost. So next is D, or the average inventory. Unsa may formula sa average inventory? Mo ni siya. EOQ divide 2. Kaning 2 kaya cannot be changed na ni siya. So let's try. I-divide nimo ang economic order quantity, which is 51,161.50 divide 2. And the answer is 25,580.50. Mo na siya ang atuang average inventory per year. So E, or total carrying cost, usa may formula ana, AI multiply CC. So here, ang atuang total carrying cost is 12,790.25. Ato na siyang multiply sa 0.50, which is ang atuang carrying cost. And lastly is the total cost. Usa formula sa total cost? Kani, TLC plus 2 TCC. Meaning sa TCC is total carrying cost. So now, ang answer is 25,529 pesos. Muna siya ito ang total carrying cost.